Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Usha EI 3710 heavyweight electric iron. This is a dry weight iron that weighs around 1.75 kilos. And there's an image over here. There's actually a lot of information on the box, but most of it is covered by this packaging material over here. This heavyweight iron does come with 2 years of warranty. Let's quickly take a look what's here. It says golden weilburger coating on sole plate. So this is what the sole plate coating looks like. We will obviously take a closer look. And over here it says, what do we have here? 1 second, frequency 50 Hertz, weight 1.75 kilos, power 1000 watts. So this is a 1000 watt heavy iron. That's more or less all the information here. I'll open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of this box. First up, we have an instruction manual for the EI 3710 electric iron. Everything that you want to know, it's right over here. And there's also warranty information as well. By the way, there's a temperature table over here, which is very important, so don't forget that. Now let's take a look at the heavyweight iron. So this is what it looks like. It weighs around 1.75 kilos. This is what the sole plate looks like. This is called the golden weilburger coating. This particular sole plate. It also has a pointed end over here, which will help you navigate when you're doing all the ironing and pressing. This is the one that controls all the heat presets. There you go. This is the minimum, this obviously being the maximum, and all the presets are mentioned over. Different preset definitions are mentioned on the sticker right over here. Finally, we have a LED indicator. Not just that, we also have a pretty thick. Let me just give you a closer look. Let me remove this packet first. This is the power cord. This is the nylon braided power cord. This is almost 1 meter long, and you have a 3-pin plug on one end. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Usha EI 3710 heavyweight electric iron. Thank you for watching.